How safe is your cryptocurrency, really? We hear about hacks and breaches all the time, but what are you actively doing to protect your digital assets? If you're holding your crypto in a Bitwala wallet, then you're already taking a step in the right direction with a reputable platform. But the journey to true security doesn't end there. Think of your Bitwala wallet like a safe in your home here in Abuja. The front door has a lock, right? That's like your password. But what if someone gets their hands on your key? That's where a second lock comes in. That second lock, in the digital world, is often two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Now, you might be thinking, another layer of security? Is it really necessary? In today's digital landscape, the answer is a resounding yes. Passwords alone, even strong ones, can be compromised through phishing scams, malware, or even data breaches on other platforms. 2FA adds a crucial extra step, making it significantly harder for unauthorized individuals to access your Bitwala wallet, even if they somehow obtain your password. It's like having a security guard double-checking anyone who tries to enter your digital safe. So, how do you fortify your Bitwala wallet with this essential second layer of defense? It's actually a straightforward process. First things first, ensure you have the Bitwala app installed on your smartphone, the device you carry with you every day here in Abuja. Once you have the app open and you're logged in, navigate to the security settings. This is your command center for all things related to protecting your account. Within the security settings, you should find an option related to two-factor authentication or 2FA. Tap on this option. Bitwala will likely present you with a choice of 2FA methods. The most common and generally recommended method is using an authenticator app. Popular choices include Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. If you don't already have one of these apps installed on your phone, now is the time to head to your app store and download one. Once you've selected the Authenticator app option within the Bitwala app, Bitwala will display a unique QR code and a secret key. Open your chosen Authenticator app. Most Authenticator apps have a prominent plus or add account button. Tap this and you'll likely be presented with two options: scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Using your smartphone's camera, scan the QR code displayed in your Bitwala app. If for some reason you can't scan the QR code, you can manually enter the secret key provided by Bitwala into your Authenticator app. Once you've scanned the code or entered the key, your Authenticator app will generate a time-sensitive, 6-digit code. This code changes every 30 seconds or so, adding that crucial layer of dynamic security. Now, go back to your Bitwala app. You'll likely see a field prompting you to enter the current 6-digit code from your Authenticator app. Type in the code accurately and tap Enable or Verify. Congratulations! You've now successfully secured your Bitwala wallet with two-factor authentication. From this point forward, whenever you try to log into your Bitwala account from a new device or perform sensitive actions like sending cryptocurrency, you will be required to enter both your password and the constantly changing 6-digit code generated by your Authenticator app. This means that even if someone manages to steal your password, they won't be able to access your funds without also having physical access to your phone and the ever-evolving code. Remember, securing your cryptocurrency is an ongoing responsibility. Enabling 2FA on your Bitwala wallet is a significant step in the right direction, adding a robust layer of protection against unauthorized access. It's a simple process that can save you significant headaches and potential financial loss down the line. Take a few minutes today to implement this crucial security measure and give yourself greater peace of mind knowing your digital assets are better protected right here in Abuja or wherever you may be. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.